Hey guys, welcome back to the Insanity Carnival. Today we're going to take a tour of North Edge Design. They make custom live edge furniture, all kinds of cool stuff. We're going to check out their facility, see how they do things. It's all custom Canadian made. Let's go check it out. Here we are in the back where they got a lot of their wood products. Let's take a look at some of them. All kinds of different live edge slabs. Hickory, oak, red oak, white pine, maple, all types. So here's all the raw wood. You can purchase any of the slabs on their website at northedgedesign.com. They got all kinds of stuff. Real beautiful stuff. Perfect for making all kinds of custom furniture. There's some longer pieces, 13, 14 feet long. Custom boardroom tables, large harvest tables, all kinds of cool stuff. So what happens now? Let's go in the shop and find out. Start with the high spots, slowly work their way down piece by piece in a custom router sled. Custom milled lumber. Very nice.
Here we have a locking miter joints for our upper apron. So that'll fit nice and snug there. If you want to get a shot of that.
Nice.
And then we have our regular old mortise and tenon. Get it out of here. Like that.
Beautiful. Well made.
Thank you.
Here we are in one of the finishing rooms where they do epoxy coverings, epoxy pours. They got tables getting ready, spots to hang it all, stuff in production. This is a giant white oak tabletop. I think it's a countertop. Gorgeous. So here they've just done a fill pour and using a heat gun to take out the bubbles. Wow, that looks amazing. Here's a table that's in production now. After they plane it, join it, sand it, they fill all of the cracks with epoxy. Make sure that it lasts for a long time and doesn't allow in any rot. So the next step is that they come back and sand all that down. and then put any kind of stain or finish on it. Here they got a couple coffee tables that are being picked up by customers today. This one in the front here is a stain with a polyurethane top, where this one here is thick with an epoxy coating that can be used outside. Absolutely gorgeous pieces of wood. So like I said, they'll do anything custom for you. Just gotta call. It's a hallway table that has epoxy finish, colored. Alright, that's pretty much the tour of North Edge Design and how they make live edge furniture. Seems like a pretty extensive process, from getting the slabs to leveling them all, to cutting them, sanding them, joining them, finishing them. Seems like a lot to it. If you thought this video was cool, hit like, subscribe, and thanks for joining the Insanity Carnival.